Hey guys, it's Alan, the Fireman 1028, and today we're back with our 2024 Honda Transalp 750. And I know we hadn't really been giving her some love here of late, but there's a good reason for that, and that's a story for another day. But today, actually the bike is going out on rent. A gentleman's renting it for 9 days, traveling the Southeast, and I've had this product here for a while, but I figured it'd be a perfect time to install it before he takes the bike. Another set of PivotPegz, incredible pegs. Again, I'm not doing any justice. Let me show you these things. Let me show you these damn things up close. Look at that right there. Look at the work that goes into those PivotPegz. Those things are gorgeous. They're just gorgeous. So we're gonna be putting those on our Honda Transalp. Again, should be a pretty simple process. PivotPegz, I think they make some of the best pegs in the industry. So without any further ado, let's get going. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, so here's our stock pegs. Again, let's put our PivotPegz beside that. Look at that right there. Compare that right there. That's just, get some. So these should be pretty simple. There is no spacer that goes with these. The spacer is actually kind of built, if you can see that, the spacer is kind of built into the peg itself. It's pressed in there. All we really have to do is take out that cotter pin right there. Should be able to slide it out, slide them in, and be done. Let's see if it's that easy. Yeah. All right, so we got our cotter pin out, as you can see. Hello, cotter pin. There's a little washer that goes there. If your cotter pin's in good shape, there's no reason why you can't reuse it. They do give you new ones in the set, though. And that's it. The one's out. Now, you might need to put a little bit of lubricant on your pin when you go to put it back in. Here's our left side peg. It's going to go in just like that, right there. I'll tell you what. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Yeah, we got it through. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. That's it, baby. Look at that. Look at that right there. Woo. Look at that. God, that looks good. Now, this thing is a bitch to get on. I ain't gonna lie to you. There's no pin or anything. There's nothing to guide it. You just got to kind of man strength and willpower to get that damn thing through. That thing sucked. Piece of cake. Gosh, it always works out that way. First one takes damn 30 minutes. Second one takes 5 minutes. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Yeah. All right, so there we go. There's both the PivotPegz. You see, they got the pivot there, but then they pivot that way too. So you see the difference in the size of those pegs, which is incredible. All right, guys, so that'll do it. That'll complete the installation of our PivotPegz on our 2024 Honda Transalp. Again, I will say it once, I'll say it twice, I'll say it a third time. PivotPegz makes the best pegs on the market, and those guys are awesome to work with. PivotPegz, thank you guys. So, like I said, pretty simple installation. It takes a little bit of patience. A screwdriver on the back side to kind of help guide the pin back in is really helpful. So, if you see anything that you like, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to the channel. Again, that's the ultimate compliment. Thank you guys. God bless, roll tide, and remember, tomorrow needs you. Thanks, guys.